The Indian Ocean Symposium was a really important event for the Faculty of Arts and for KPU. It was an event, of course, that brought a lot of people together, for our students, our faculty, and of course, interested parties from around the world. What's great about that kind of event is it brings ideas to life. People are really inspired by the topic, and it promotes future collaboration between a number of the different individuals in the room and thinking about all sorts of future projects.
So when we were planning the symposium, we had hoped for it to be, a one-day small event. But the response that we got to our call for papers was amazing. And so then we expanded it to 2 days. We made it hybrid so that it was accessible globally. And I think that the energy that was there at the symposium, simply the excitement and the response that we received was just amazing. So we had about 36 presentations, scholars from around the world who work on the Indian Ocean world. The focus of the symposium was on literature and culture. And so we had scholars who work on, literary texts, but also on comics, on cinema, on photography. So we had some very interesting interdisciplinary papers. So for keynote, we had very well-known author M.G. Vasanji. And M.G. Vasanji is also one of his works is one of the areas of my research. And so for me, of course, it was very exciting to have him here. And we were also able to launch his latest novel as part of our symposium. And I got to talk to him about the novel, so that was really exciting part of the symposium.
The symposium is really important for promoting research at KPU. Of course, first of all, we know that within the Faculty of Arts, Dr. Asma Sayed is the Canada Research Chair in South Asian Literary and Cultural Studies. So we're really fortunate to have that position here in the English department in Faculty of Arts, just because, of course, it draws students to the department, it draws students to KPU, as well as scholars, right? Because of so many exciting things that are happening through that CRC. Of course, in terms of research too, the symposium, an event like that, creates a lot of excitement around research and really exceptional learning opportunities for our students. They get to hear from experts in their fields, scholars at KPU, but also experts from around the world who joined both in person and remotely. So it created a lot of synergy, right, in terms of research and especially across disciplines. The Faculty of Arts is a really big faculty, a lot of disciplines, and that's our strength, because we of course can sort of build on all of those shared interests and look at things from multidisciplinary perspectives.
So we have 2 projects coming out of the symposium. We have invited all the scholars who presented at the symposium to submit their papers as a fully developed, articles. And we are hoping to publish a book out of it, a collection of articles that come out of the conference. And we're also working on a digital project. We are hoping to make some of the papers that were presented, and we recorded them. So we'll be working on making those accessible to those who could not attend at the time.